So what's up guys, you are watching Robot the Gamer YouTube channel. Hope you all are fine at home. So today, I will teach you how to increase the Instagram followers using the Google Cloud Computing. You can use this both on your mobile as well as computers. So let's start the video. I'll give you all this text file in the description box. You can copy and paste these commands from their source, Google Cloud Computing platform. You can use this on your Android phone using Google Cloud Console that is present on the Play Store as well as on the iOS Store. So first I will copy the first command. I will also give this link in the description box. You can open this link and log in with your any account, and you can start hacking. And first time adding this command, and I am pasting this command, and in my case it is already existing, as I have installed it first, and now I will copy the second. You have to do same as I am doing. I have pasted the second and I am pressing the enter. And the folder has been opened, and now I will copy the third command, and Instagram followers tool will open, and I presenting. And here you can see that the Instagram tool has been opened. We have to use the arrow keys to move up and down, and we have to press enter to use any. You can use any other tool. You have to use any the account to log in with Instagram, and firstly you have to follow more than 3,000 to 4,000 people. They will follow you back. In this way the software help you to increase the followers, and you can mass unfollow all the following like this by using this command. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much friends. Bye.